Good morning, students. How are you all? Today is our EVS class. We will study chapter 7, Me and My Word. In this chapter, we will study about the different types of houses. So let us start. Children, we all live in a house. Why do we live in a house? We live in a house because it protects us from the heat of the sun. It protects us from cold in winter. It protects us from rain. A house also protects us from wild animals and thieves. So children, we all live in a house to protect us from sun, winter, rain, wild animals and thieves. There are many types of houses. Hut, tent, bungalow, boathouse, igloo, skyscraper and a caravan. Now let us see them one by one. Children, which type of house is this? This is a hut. You all must have seen it. A hut is a small house in which village people live. गांव में जो लोग रहते हैं वो हट में रहते हैं. ओके? This is a tent. It is a temporary house in which we live for a short time. जब हमारे शहर में माघ मेला लगता है तो लोग संगम पर नहाने के लिए आते हैं. तो लोग कहाँ रहते हैं? टेंट में. राइट. बंगलो. It is a permanent house. We all live in it. It can have 1, 2 or many rooms. Okay? So, this is a bungalow. Boat house. This is a boat house. It is a house which moves on water. It is made on a boat. Right? Igloo. This is an igloo. Children, जो लोग बहुत ठंडी जगह पर रहते हैं जहाँ बहुत बर्फ़ गिरती है वो लोग जिस घर में रहते हैं उसको इग्लू कहते हैं. राइट? सो in very cold places where there is a lot of snow, people live in an igloo. Skyscraper. Children, what is a skyscraper? A skyscraper is a building which is very tall. It can have many houses in it. तो बहुत ऊंची बिल्डिंग्स को हम स्काई स्क्रैपर कहते हैं. ये बिग सिटीज में होती हैं. ओके? Caravan. A caravan is a temporary house. People who move from one place to another live in a house which is called a caravan. It is a house on wheels. So children, these were the different types of houses. In our next class, we will study about the things by which these houses are made. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.